Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. I am dressed to be killed.
Holler at you, buddy.
Oh, the pain! The pain! Ow! No! Ow! That's not good. No, not that. I'm being liquidated. I'm being liquidated. Water everywhere. H2, oh no! Ooh. Doodly 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 doo. Whoa! Buddy, angry! Choose something else. No. Oh, God! I'm dying! Oh! Oi! Ah! No! Ow! Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, all right? Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? Stop! You might want to put that back. Why not? Why? Matryoshka.
I think I need a transfusion.
No.
Help me!
That's not good. Oh, I've been hit. No, not that. Time out! You're a terrible person. Oh my God! Open a window! Oh, my biscuits are burning! Oh God! No! You're a bad person. Siri, call the ambulance. Choose something else. No. no, not that. You might want to put that back. No. It sucks to be me. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Help me! That's not good. No, not that. Oh! Ay, Chihuahua! No. No, not that. Stop, drop, and roll! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? You might want to put that back. Just call me Indiana. Dun, dun, dun. Choose something else. I'm burning! Mama! Enough! No. What's wrong with you? The pain! Oh! You're killing me! No.